Hi, I'm Pradeep. I would like to speak about the police atrocities which happened in Tamil Nadu 2 days back. In that incident, they killed father and son who runs a mobile shop in Tamil Nadu. The reason why they were arrested and molested and they were killed was they kept the shop open for few more hours, for extra hours. So that's the prime case on them. The there should be a penalty for that, or they should have dealt it in such a way that they should have fined them, or else they should have imprisoned them, and they should have submitted them at magistrate. But they haven't done anything. They took the law in their hands and they killed them. They brutally molested and they killed them, and they tried to cover up the case like that just by saying that they died with a heart failure or heart attack. This should not happen. This should not happen, and no police are authorized to take the law into their hands, and they can't simply say that they refused the rules. I mean, they gone behind the rules and we killed them. This is not the way to behave. No police have right to do such atrocities with a common man, or they can't take the law in their hands. What they should do is they should submit them to the court. What happened with the Clive Lloyd? The same thing happened with these father and son. So I was shocked. I was literally shocked after watching that incident. My friends, the few celebrities, they sent it to me, and I was left speechless, and I don't know what to say. This is not the way to deal with the common people, because already people in India, they don't have faith on police in most of areas. Few police are there who are dealing with a proper justification, but this is not the way to deal with the common man. I seriously condemn this act of Tamil Nadu police, and I demand a thorough inquiry in this case with a sitting judge or with a retired judge, and I want them to be punished severely without any delay. Then only we can restore the faith among the people. George Floyd, sorry, I said Clive Floyd, but his name is George Floyd, who got killed in US because of racist kind of thing. But this was also the same kind of case, but they haven't got enough publicity because this happened in a southern state and they speak in local language. That's why I'm recording it in English. This case should be dealt with proper care, and those police officers who are responsible for these atrocities should be punished immediately without any delay. Then only we can restore faith among the common people. Then only we can give some hope. These kind of things should never ever happen again in India. Thank you.